How's it going, guys? Stefan is here and you're watching SYG Tech. In today's video we have the iPhone SE first generation with iPhone 8. So we're gonna have a speed test today, so we'll see if the iPhone SE is faster. Both devices has 2 gigabytes of RAM, but the iPhone 8 has a 11 chip. And we'll see if this is gonna be any difference. Also, the both devices are running the latest version of the iOS, which I'm very excited to show you. iOS 15 is running on an iPhone SE first generation, as you can see, iOS 15, which this is very interesting. This iPhone is very old. It's been released in 2016 and still works actually, which I'm very excited. The same with the iPhone 6s, and let me show you the same here as well. General about iPhone 8 is running the iOS 15, so very excited to see the speed test today. So if you enjoyed today's video or any speed test related iPhone news and videos, make sure to subscribe and turn your bell notification. So let's start now with the boot up test, because this is interesting to see if the iPhone 8 is gonna beat the iPhone SE first generation. So let's do that right now. So 3, 2, 1. Very excited about this speed test today. So let me know in the comments down below which iPhone do you have currently at the moment. Do you have the SE or do you have the iPhone 8? And let me know what is your best feature for iPhone SE or iPhone 8. And we have a champion, we have a win today. So iPhone 8 actually, it's faster, maybe a second, maybe 2 seconds behind. Nothing major. But iPhone SE is behind, but like maybe second or 2 seconds behind. Both devices are connected to the same network, and let me double check if there's any recent apps. Okay, so let's start now with the fun part. Let's start with some interesting apps on a daily basis. So let's start with settings. Where is the settings? Let's start with the settings in 3, 2, 1. iPhone SE wins. Okay, we have a first win for iPhone SE. Okay, let's open the Safari in 3, 2, 1. Okay, iPhone 8, but iPhone SE was maybe a second behind, which this is very good in my opinion. So I hope iOS 15 performs very good. Let's open the App Store in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so this was the iPhone 8 and iPhone SE a couple of seconds behind. Okay, let's open the reminder in 3, 2, 1. iPhone SE and iPhone 8 and iPhone SE maybe second behind. This is very good in my opinion. Let's open the calendar in 3, 2, 1. I didn't expect that. I think iPhone SE first generation opened the application a little bit faster. This is interesting. Let's open the weather app in 3, 2, 1. iPhone SE. Wow, interesting. This is very good in my opinion. This is one of my favorite app after the update. iOS 15 brings this interesting cool app. I love it. Okay, let's open YouTube. Why not? Let's open YouTube. But let me make sure that all the volume is down, because I don't want to get some copyright music or something. Okay, so let's open YouTube in 3, 2, 1. Second and a half behind, but iPhone 8 actually opens the YouTube app. Obviously, both iPhones are connected to the same network, so okay. Let's open some social media apps. Let's open TikTok in 3, 2, 1. iPhone 8 and iPhone SE first generation maybe seconds behind. Okay, let's open Twitter in 3, 2, 1. iPhone 8 and iPhone SE first generation maybe a second behind. This is interesting. So the iPhone SE first generation performs very well. I'm very excited and happy about this iPhone because this iPhone is being released in 2016 and runs the latest version of the iOS. Keep that in mind, Android users. This is very good in my opinion, so we'll see if this is gonna change. Let's open the Facebook app in 3, 2, 1. I think this was the iPhone 8, but you are the judge. Okay, let's open Instagram in 3, 2, 1. This was the iPhone 8 and iPhone SE first generation was behind, maybe a second. Okay, interesting. So let's open some games now. Why not? What do you think? Should we open some games? It's gonna be interesting to see some games. Let's open the Crash in 3, 2, 1. I believe iPhone 8 is gonna win this. Or maybe we have a surprise. Yeah, definitely iPhone 8 I think is gonna win. But iPhone SE, it's a couple of seconds behind, as you can see. But once again, this is a very good iPhone, still performs very well, and you're gonna be happy to have this iPhone, and I think works pretty good, especially with the iOS 15 in my opinion, but it's interesting. Okay, so let's open the Pac-Man in 3, 2, 1. Is Yeah, so iPhone 8 maybe a second behind. Not bad. Okay, let's open some apps that you can use on a daily basis. For example, let's open the recording app in 3, 2, 1. This was the iPhone 8 or iPhone SE. Okay, not bad. Let's open the calculator in 3, 2, 1. I believe this was the iPhone SE first generation. Let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, I think this is interesting. So let me know what you think about this speed test. I think the iPhone SE still performs very good in 2021 after the iOS 15, and this works pretty good. All the apps works fine, widgets. This is great in my opinion. I got only 8% of battery. The battery of this iPhone SE first generation is not great. But however, the iPhone 8 works amazing and everything works great. This iPhone is being very popular amongst all the iPhones, but yeah, very interesting. So let me know in the comments down below, what do you think about the speed test? Do you like it? If you have any questions, I'm very happy to check your questions to answer them in the comments down below section. So let me know in the comments down below if you want to see something else. I'm happy to do any other challenges, any videos. So there you have it, guys. iPhone SE first generation with the iPhone 8 speed test for you. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to subscribe and turn on your bell notifications for future iPhone uploads. As always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, and stay safe.